Mamahangs! Today, andito kami sa Capia. Mag-half day kami ni TC sa shop. Absent si Belle, kasama namin si Pepper at saka si Chang.
I don't push or pull, and I'm not that hard to please. Don't wanna be all up in your business, but I'm not even on your mind. I'm not breathing down your neck. I'm just looking to spend some quality time, and that would be fine. It's still just more than nothing. And though a little loving wouldn't change my mind, it'd still be more than nothing. Nothing just ain't enough.
Anong solo french fries pala kila Pepper? Pasta tsaka ano tayo? House lasagna, Bobby. House lasagna sa pasta, tapos ikaw na mamili sa isa.
Sige.
Camperit, Pepper! Bibig sa'yo pagkain mabilis! Camperit!